Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about Mixo for marketing. Mixo is a simple yet powerful tool that allows you to create stunning websites in just a couple of seconds. Our platform is powered by AI, which takes care of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on running your business. How to start? Describe your business. You can provide a brief description of your business, and our AI will then analyze your input and create a customized website. Customize your design. Our intuitive editor allows you to update the design and content of your website. It also allows you to alter text, colors, and images to match your brand's style and look. Publish and host. Upon creating and publishing your website, we will host it for you and provide live and direct access to it to your clients. What's included in every pay plan? Integrated AI. Website hosting included. No-code site editor. Customizable site URL. Free SSL certificate. Mobile-first responsive design. Access to free stock images. Embed video content. SEO. Choose a plan. Basic, $7 at month. Growth site, $15 at month. Pro, $29 at month. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.